And finally, this half hour, Files One's Amy Green joins us with some of the stories that are making headlines in the world of entertainment. Hey, Amy.
Thanks very much. Breaking Bad may be over, but we may not have seen the last of Walter White, according to Bryan Cranston himself. Spoiler alert, if you haven't seen the finale yet, you better not listen to this. In an interview on CNN last night, the actor may have dropped a hint that there could be more to the meth manufacturer story, saying, quote, hey, you never saw a bag zip up or anything, and, quote, never say never. And when asked if his character was in fact dead, he replied, quote, I don't know. Cranston has been staying busy since the series finale, landing a role in the blockbuster Godzilla and currently playing President Lyndon B. Johnson in the Broadway play All the Way. Chelsea Handler is officially leaving E! This summer. The cable channel announced that after a 7-year run, Chelsea Lately will air its last show on August 26th. Handler's contract was to expire at the end of this year. However, her early departure has been more apparent in recent months, especially with the comedian being more vocal about her unhappiness with the network. Handler is the only female talk show host in late night as of now. No official word yet on her next move. Handler's last episode will be a live hour-long special. And look out below, Luke Bryan, the country singer, took a pretty big plunge off stage while performing in Charlotte last night. Take a look. Bryan was in the middle of singing a cover of Macklemore's Can't Hold Us when he took a step thinking there was more stage, but instead fell right into the pit. Security quickly rushed to help the singer. Fortunately, he wasn't seriously injured, but did need some stitches. This isn't the first fall Bryan has endured during a concert in North Carolina either. Back in February, he fell during a show in Greensboro. However, it wasn't as big as this one. Ouch. For Files One News, I'm Amy Green.